So today we are going to discuss Zmap, not Zmap, but Zmap. So Zmap is an open source network scanning tool designed to scan the entire internet within minutes. It was developed by researchers at the University of Michigan, and it is widely used by security researchers, network admins, and law enforcement agencies. Now, are you ready to just keep diving into scanning the entire internet? Buckle up and let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
So the first thing that we have to do right now, open our terminal and we are going to try to install Zmap. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type sudo apt install Zmap. Hit enter. Enter your password because you're trying to do something as root. And then we're gonna just go from there. I'm going to pause the video and be back once the download is complete. If we open a new terminal, you can see that if we type Zmap -H or -L, you're gonna see all the cool things that you can do. You can actually scan, use the Zmap P and 80 and scan for HTTP. You can just try to find 5 HTTP servers, and then you can do so much. But now, as you guys you're kind of advanced now, you can just go ahead and explore it on your own. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to try to just use the entire CIDR, like 0.0.0.0/0, which is scanning the entire internet. When I type what is Zmap, they say the fast internet scanner. It's almost the same as last week when we did mass scan. It's kind of the same idea for mass scan. So what is mass scan? Fast scan of the internet. So now what we are going to try to do today, we are going to try to scan the entire internet. What you can do, you can actually scan for port numbers, specific port numbers, and then all the port numbers. But in this case, what we can do, we can actually type sudo Zmap -pit for the port number, and we are going to search for port 80, and then that -n 0.0.0.0/0. So what we are trying to do now is to just scan the entire internet, because 0.0.0.0/0 is for the entire internet, and we can actually hit enter. And then as you can see here, we are just seeing a lot of information right now. Alright, so this gonna take a very long time, the same as last week. So as you can see here, we use that specific -n for the CIDR notation, and then you can go from there. So now what you can do, you can just keep exploring. You see all these IP addresses, they are probably website, because we are just scanning port 80, and you can just go ahead and just go from there. If you click on those, you can probably reach the website. So now many times what an attacker do, sometimes they just scan all the ports, like port 22, port 23, to see all they can find vulnerabilities. Now as a security professional, it is very important for you to make sure that you close unused ports, and then so attackers cannot just target you. That's all that we have for you for today. If you have any questions, feel free to put them into the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy scanning.